Hey everyone, it's Ashley and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Christmas light nails. Start with a base coat. Next, apply 2 to 3 coats of white until it is opaque. For the next step, I hold my fingers together and try to make a dot to connect the line from nail to nail. After this, I set my hand back down on the table and start to slowly draw a line. You can add a loop if you'd like. It is easier to do it one part at a time. As you see, I keep lifting my brush and getting more polish and making sure that I create a line as steady as possible. Here is another example of a line. This kind of a line would be a little bit easier than the loop. If you want to fix up your line, just take the base color, white in this case, and clean it up. Next, you will make little black dots to be the base for the light and make sure that these are spaced out and that they are connected to the original line. Next, use as many colors as you'd like and create water droplet-like shapes on your nail, where the black dots meet the line. If you notice any mistakes or just want to sharpen the tip, use white to fix them. Wait until your design is dry, then apply a top coat very lightly. Make sure you use a thick layer so you don't smear your design. And that is it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what other kinds of nail art you'd like to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!